Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, Donna Rosa Vlog. At ito yung ating simple dish for today, fungus with celery. Okay guys, huwag kalimutan yung mag-likes guys sa ating video. Thank you! Hello guys, nagluluto tayo ng ng black fungus with celery. Ayan, yung ating menu for today. Yes, ang sarap ng black fungus. Yung lang ito guys, yung oyster sauce at saka soy sauce lang yung nilagay natin na sesame dito. Wala nang iba. Kasi nababasa ko sa isang article na yung black fungus is makapag lower ng cholesterol. So I will eat this today with celery. Kasi niluto ko yung celery kasi ayaw ko na juicer kasi medyo nagda-diet tayo for today. Kaya kailangan natin, not today, for this week. Kasi in the morning juicer. So with cucumber, apples, pineapple juice. Yun ang ginawa ko. So nilagyan natin ng celery at saka parsley leaves, pero ayaw ko yung kanyang yung taste. Ayaw ko, kaya niluto ko na lang at nilagay ko dito sa black fungus at iyon ang ating kakainin for today. So thank you guys sa hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, Donna Rosa Vlog. Please hit the button and all the notification is yours. So ito lang guys, bago pa tayo end ng video natin, please like naman yung ating like para ma-recognize ni YouTube yung ating video. So, sa hindi pa nakaalam kung paano lulutuin yung ating black fungus, with the start is magpakulo tayo ng tubig at ilagay natin sa black fungus hanggang na mag-pop up ito, bumuka kasi dry ito kaya kailangan niyang bumuka. Ayan. So, after that, nagisa tayo ng sibuyas at saka ahos. Ayun. At ginisa natin ito. Yung ating celery, iba-blanch natin ng water para hindi siya malanta at saka maganda yung kanyang kulay at hindi mag-brown, still green pa rin siya. Ayun. At saka mayroon tayong parsley leaf. Yan ang ginawa natin para magkakulay ng green yung ating menu for today, black fungus with celery. So thank you guys for watching this video. This is a very simple dish, easy lang ito lulutuin, kaya hindi ko na rin ilagay yung ating procedure kung paano, hindi natin na step by step kung paano lutuin ito, pero easy lang ito guys. Ayan. So, thank you for coming for this video. Thank you guys. Thank you. God bless you all. Thank you. Ayan guys, atin na ipa-platter yung ating black fungus. So very yummy. Oh, see? At parang natatakam na ako kumain. Ayan, at hindi na talaga napigilan at tayo kumain na. Ayan guys, thank you so much for watching.